In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate WordPress with Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have a direct connection between your WordPress site and your Zoho CRM account, so data can move smoothly between the two without manual copying or complicated workarounds. To get started, make sure you're logged in to your Zoho CRM account in a web browser. Once you're signed in, go to crm.zoho.com. This is the main dashboard where you manage your leads, contacts, and deals, and it's also where we'll set up the integration. At the top right of the Zoho CRM interface, look for the small gear icon. This is the setup or settings icon, and it opens the area where you can manage configurations for your CRM. Go ahead and click that gear icon. If you don't see it right away, you might need to expand your browser window or close any pop-ups so the top navigation is fully visible. After you click the gear icon, you'll be taken to the setup panel. Here you'll see a list of different configuration options. Find and click on the option labeled Connections. This is where Zoho manages integrations with external services like WordPress. If your menu is grouped by sections, it might be under a category related to developer space, marketplace, or integration, but it will be clearly labeled as Connections. Once you're on the Connections page, look for a button or link that says Create Connection. This is the starting point for building a new link between Zoho CRM and another platform. Click Create Connection. Zoho may show you a list of popular services and apps it can connect to, often with icons or logos to make them easy to spot. From this list, locate the WordPress option and click on it. Selecting WordPress tells Zoho that you're setting up a connection specifically for your WordPress site, so it can apply the correct settings and prompts. If there's a search bar in the connections gallery, you can type WordPress to find it faster. After choosing WordPress, Zoho will ask you to enter a connection name. This is an internal label used inside Zoho CRM, so you can recognize this connection later, especially if you end up creating multiple integrations. Type in a clear descriptive name, for example, something like main WordPress site, or another phrase that makes sense for your setup. The goal is to make it easy to identify at a glance. Next, you'll see a field for the connection link name. This is usually a shorter, system-friendly version of the name, often without spaces, that Zoho uses behind the scenes. You can use a simple variation of your connection name here, such as using lowercase letters and dashes or underscores instead of spaces. The exact format may depend on Zoho's rules, so follow any hints or error prompts if they appear. Once you've filled in both the connection name and the connection link name, you're ready to finalize the setup. Click the Create and Connect button. Zoho will now create the connection record and may prompt you to authorize or confirm access between your Zoho CRM account and your WordPress site, depending on how your environment is configured. That's all it takes to integrate WordPress with Zoho CRM using the built-in connections feature. You've created a named connection, linked it to WordPress, and started the process of syncing your site with your CRM.